Hey guys, Alex Ryan here, and I'm standing outside DHL here in Sydney. And this, guys, is if you're looking to start an Amazon business, get used to dealing with these guys right here, because these guys will look after your samples. And so if you're chosen your product, let's say for example you've chosen your product to sell on Amazon, and you're at the sampling stage where you have to order one just to test out the quality, then you'll probably end up using these people, and they're darn fast. They're very reliable. It is a German company after all. They always run on time, and it's one of those companies that's been around for a long time. So definitely have a look at DHL, guys, when you come to the sampling stage, and they estimate shipping. They do a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Now, when you come around to sending your goods to the Amazon FBA warehouse, you can also use DHL as well, like I do, right? So it's a little bit more expensive, but it does arrive on time. It doesn't take a month or 3 weeks. It can actually take up to like 3 or 4 days. I remember not so long ago, last year, I was shipping products to my customers using drop shipping, and it would literally take 4 days from Guangzhou to arrive up in far north Queensland. So guys, DHL, it's a very reliable company, and it will deliver on time most of the time, all right? So definitely check them out, guys. My name's Alex Ryan, and check out the other videos if you want to learn how to start your business on Amazon and you want product ideas. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye for now. The number one factor for success on Amazon comes down to your product. That's essentially it. It comes down to your product. If you don't have an awesome product, it's not going to sell. No matter how good your marketing is, it's just not going to sell. So most people go down the shotgun strategy, which is they have a shotgun, they try like 20 different products, and fingers crossed, hope that it works, right? But that's no way to build a successful Amazon business, right? So you need to make sure that the product that you're selling is going to be a killer. It's going to be a winning product. That's how you make money on Amazon. You know, some people say they don't have the time, they don't have the money, they don't have the experience. Their husband won't let them, their wife won't let them, their pet rock won't let them. And listen, you've got two choices, right? You either make excuses or you make money. You can't do both, right? You either do one or the other. Now, personally, I would rather make money. I don't know about you, right? But that's something you got to commit to. Are you ready to make money? Are you committing to success? Are you ready to start your business on Amazon? It's a good question for you. Are you ready to find your hot product? Are you ready to launch your Amazon empire?